Hello, good morning students. This is a notes of chapter 1, that is representation of geographical features. The first question, it is your, what is the main difference between a sketch and a map? So let's see. The map, a map is a two-dimensional representation of the whole or a part of the earth drawn to scale on a flat surface, and a map just have a scale and a legend की फॉर्म होते हैं, and we can see the entire world at a glance in a world map. But a sketch is a rough and free hand map drawn on the basis of observation, and it represents the main features of an area or a specific place. Now, and the sketch is not drawn to scale, and a sketch usually helps record ideas quickly for later use, and a map can show large amount of detail, and a sketch may vary from non-detail to detail. Now second question, it is your distinguish between a large scale and a small scale map. Large scale map cover a small area of the earth but shows almost every features of the area in detail, like for example, see here the road map of a city, like your Lucknow city is from the chalk. You represent here all the area cover on the large scale map, but here it can be, this scale is represent 1 kilometer in 1 सेंटीमीटर. यह आपका लार्ज स्केल जो है 1 किलोमीटर को 1 सेंटीमीटर में रिप्रेजेंट करता है. वहीं स्मॉल स्केल मैप कवर अ लार्ज एरिया ऑफ द अर्थ बट शोज वेरी फ्यू डिटेल्स ऑफ द फीचर्स ऑफ द एरिया. लाइक एग्जाम्पल, फॉर एग्जाम्पल कि आपके यूपी, यहाँ पे लखनऊ का मैप सिर्फ शो हो रहा है, और स्मॉल मैप एरिया में आपके पूरे यूपी का पोर्शन शो होगा, दैट इज़ योर स्मॉल. और ये जो है ये 1 सेंटीमीटर में आपका स्मॉल स्केल एरिया 100 किलोमीटर को रिप्रेजेंट करता है. नाउ थर्ड क्वेश्चन, इट इज़ योर, what is the main difference between verbal scale and representative fraction? So verbal scale, this type of scale, the units of measurements are given. The given scale on a map is 1 centimeter ratio 10 kilometer, and a distance of 10 kilometer on the ground is equal to the 1 centimeter between any 2 points on a map. And representative fraction, it indicates RF. So the units of measurement are not given in the ratio form, it is given in the fraction form, like RF is 1 by 10,000. Here the 1 numerator is always given here, and denominator 10,000 is corresponding your ground distance. One, it is your map distance, it is your ground distance. Now name the main cardinal and intermediate direction. So the main cardinal points are your north, it is your north, south, east and west. This is your main cardinal points, and intermediate directions are these one: northeast, southeast, southwest and northwest. These points are your intermediate directions. Now see, fill in the blanks. It is difficult to build a large size of globe. The plan shows a small area with almost every detail. The wave-like bend on the earth crust are called fold, and the block mountain have flat summit and steep slopes. The key which tells the story of a map is called legend key. You can say that key also. Now next it is your true and false here. So it is impossible to draw an accurate map on the earth. Yes, true. We can see only half of the globe at a time. Yes, true. The oldest known maps are drawn on papyrus sheets. No, this is false. It is drawn on skin or clothes. A map is symbolic representation of the earth on a flat surface. Yes, true. The small scale map can show only a small area on the earth. No, that is false. It shows only a large area on a earth surface. Now this chapter is now finished here. Just write it on your notebook and learn it and prepare for your exam. Thank you so much.